Welcome to the video about the Emergency and Restoration System Split module developed under the R²D² project. The goals of this module are the detection of system splits and the provision of space for communication and coordination between TSOs and RCCs. The architecture consists of 3 layers. The Network Topology Processor, NTP, from the business layer identifies electrical islands based on network topology. The coordination platform from the user interface layer, based on the operator fabric, OF, serves as the communication medium for coordination. This is the login page of operator fabric, accessible through any web browser. This is the user interface of the operator fabric application. In the main top bar, there are different tabs, but the most important one for managing cards during the coordination process is the card feed tab. The interface of the card feed is divided into 3 sections. The left section presents all received notifications during the coordination process as a list. The top section presents a timeline, which can be configured to several predefined resolutions. The central section, which is the most important, presents detailed card information. As soon as a system split is detected by the NTP, OF initiates an automatic card, providing information about the number of islands and the TSOs in each island. All directly and indirectly affected TSOs receive this notification and must acknowledge it. When a TSO acknowledges the information, the corresponding label turns green. The user can use the Create New Card option to inform all participants about the upcoming teleconference. After selecting the process field, the remaining fields are predefined but editable by the user. The user can edit the notification type, start and end dates of the process, provide a link for the teleconference, and edit the recipients. Before sending, the user must preview the card. The main RCC has the option to manually close a card by editing it and changing its state to closed. Once this is done, the OF will automatically send the next card provided it is defined as automatic. If the following card is manual, the timer for the closed card will be stopped. The next 2 cards are automatically created by OF based on information provided by the NTP. The first card contains information on the directly affected TSOs and is provided to all participants of the coordination process. The NTP proposes remedial actions to support frequency stabilization and accelerate restoration towards nominal values. The methodology applied by the NTP relies on comparing the system state before and after the split. So, the next card presents proposed remedial actions for TSOs in each newly formed island. Several cards are automatically generated, with the final goal of determining the frequency leaders for each island. The next phase of the business process involves preparation for the resynchronization. A set of cards is generated manually by the RCC leader and automatically by the OF. Some cards are informative, requiring only acknowledgement from TSOs, while others are action cards, requiring a response from TSOs. There are 2 additional types of cards, less used in this specific coordination process: alarm and compliant. Regardless of the type of card, users can monitor received responses in the table within the detailed view of the card and in the top right part of the detailed view. Following all coordination activities, the OF permanently stores all cards in the Archives tab of the main bar. The user can locate a specific card and open it in a new window. The Monitoring tab has similar possibilities as the Archives tab. Finally, The OF has implemented a logging option that tracks the actions of all users and stores them in a user-friendly table.